Okay, decided to make a video for you instead of using the piece of software that we have here. I'm going to break it down into maybe 2 or 3 exercises. One's to work on your glutes, one to work on your core, and then slowly to build up to something a bit more difficult. So first exercise is the one we went through when we had the WhatsApp video session yesterday. So, you're going to get yourself, first of all, I want you to arch, so there's a hole in the bottom of your back. Then I want you to roll your hips back until your lower back is flat against the floor. Then you're going to put your feet together, you're going to push your hips away, and then you're going to lift one leg. Okay? The goal is eventually to be able to hold this for 45 seconds. What I want you to do is to try this for as long as you can before you feel like you start to either get your symptoms or it feels like you can't hold it anymore. Okay? Then rest. Okay? Once you have that time, for example, 30 seconds, what I want you to do is to minus 10. Okay? So, for example, in that case, if you manage to get to 30 seconds, you would actually do 4 sets of 20-second holds. I want you to do them both sides, and I want you to do these for me every day. When you do these, I want you to rest between 45 and 60 seconds between each set. Okay? Next exercise. This is the core exercise I want us to start to do. Now, because you're a year after having your child, core exercises and glute exercises are all perfect for you right now. I mean, ideally we'd have you in Pilates classes 3 times a week, but you know we can't do that sadly, so we're going to do some basic Pilates stuff. Again, you're going to arch your back, then you're going to roll it back until your lower back is flat against the floor. Okay, then you're going to lift your legs up into this position. Notice that my hips and knees are at 90 degrees, and then you lift your arms up into this position. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the progression, and you can choose at which point you start doing these. So this is just a dead bug hold. Lower back is flat, muscles in the bottom of the core are firing hard. Okay? You're going to hold that one. Again, your goal is to be able to do 45 seconds of these. If you can hold this for 45 seconds, the next progression from that position, you're always going to start here. This is called tabletop. The next progression is this. All the while, when you're doing this, the lower part of your back is flat against the floor. There's an arch, because then you start to disengage the things we need to work. So down, up, down, up. The only thing that's changing is the angle here. You're not doing this. That's not the exercise. Okay? You're going to aim to do about 5 to 10 of these each side, and you'll be counting them like this. 1, 2, 3, when you're doing them. Okay, again, 4 sets of these, 45 to 60 seconds rest in between. Build them up over time. And the last one, the simplest one, will be a squat. Just going to use this chair as an example. We're going to do squat to chair to start off with, simply because the mechanics of squatting are then taken care of for you. What are you going to do? Notice my foot position. It's almost impossible to stand from this position. Bring your foot back till if you're looking down over your knees, you'll just be able to see your toes. Roughly about shoulder width apart, so if you're so about that much. Hands across your chest. You're going to stand and sit. And when you sit, I don't want you to go nice and controlled movements at all times. I want you to try and do 10. If you can do 10, great. I want you to do 4 sets of 10. I want you to, again, rest for 45 seconds to 60 seconds between each set. And again, I want you to do these every day. Okay? What I want you to do is add a set of 10 each week. So this week is 4 sets of 10. Next week is 5 sets of 10. The week after that is 6 sets of 10, and so on. Any problems, any questions, respond to the email that I send you this video on. It'll be a YouTube link, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.